right, back on this airplane, guys. The Hovey DeltaHawk, excuse me, the Hovey DeltaHawk. I just wanted to give you a quick update, real quick, say because I think I missed a little bit of the footage, but we're back to mud dauber collecting. I pulled off the front of the panel here, as you see, and because that's why I'm just trying to track down what wires go to what, and that way I can just go ahead and document and be able to catalog what goes where and all that good stuff to make sure we got it right. But yeah, as you see, we got all kinds of mud daubers in here. So yeah, she's definitely set for a long time. Let's see if I can get back in here and get this way back in here. All right. Well, that looks like a mumbo jumbo kind of mess, don't it? That's all right. Because I think this next panel we're going to go with, I don't know if I'm going to go with these steam gauges or if I'm just going to go ahead and go with a little mini iPad Garmin setup to where everything's there, since we really don't need to worry about too much of the FAR-AM stuff, because it is a Part 103 aircraft. Not too many regulations on this one for us. Sorry about the glare, guys. I have to keep the door open. It's kind of warm in here. But yeah, so since Part 103, we don't have to go through a lot of the regulations. We don't have to worry about a lot of the redundancies. You know, and plus this thing here, what is it? I think it goes less than 50 mile an hour. Yeah, it's got a super stupid low stall speed. I think something like 20, 25. I'll have to look that up to make sure, because I'm not 100% up to date on all that stuff. So, but yeah, it's going to be a good looking little air. I mean, we're going to have fun with it. I mean, not every day you can say you got one of very few aircraft that are left like this in the world. If I remember correctly, I believe there's like 4, and 2 of them are flyable, which this one here would be considered to be able to be flyable. And there's one, I believe, in New Zealand that is flying, and there's 2 more, I believe, that are just completely just disassembled and in a wrecked kind of state, I suppose. But you know, I got an opportunity to get my hands on this one here a while back, and I've actually had this airplane for quite a few years. Just wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with it. You know, if I wanted to hang it up in a big shop, if we ever got around to getting a shop like that, or you know, and I thought, you know what, this airplane deserves a chance to live and fly again. So we're going to go ahead and get this one flying. And you know, again, the channel's Flippin' Out. So what we do is we take different type of vehicles, anywhere from plane, train, automobile, and we try to flip that up to I guess a better vehicle of the same sort. Houses, we do the same thing. You know, we flip into a bigger house, which the one we're currently living in right now. We'll get into it on another series, but yeah, say this one here, we're flipping this airplane, and I'm hoping to be able to flip it into a, you know, maybe someday. Oh heck, you know, let's just go all out and just say it right now. Let's just throw it out there and see if we can make it happen. But let's see if we can flip this little ultralight, Part 103. Let's go for a jet, a passenger jet. Let's go all the way out for the Honda jet. Yeah. So we're going to call this one here Flippin' Ultralight to a Honda. There we go. So let's just stick along with us on this little ride and see where it goes. Because I mean, I've been in the flipping business for a long time. You know, and I've been watching another YouTuber really strong. I mean, Craig over at Flying Wheels, awesome job, dude. But yeah, he's got a $400 to a Ferrari flip. The guy's doing absolutely magnificent with this. And I thought, you know, I've got a lot of stuff just laying around, different vehicles. So let's do that. So we've got our Hyundai Sonata, or I'm sorry, Hyundai Santa Fe. And we're going to flip that Santa Fe into a floor plan. And for all you guys who don't know what a floor plan is, we have a floor plan right now, but we're doing an alternative to show people, you know, hey, it's possible. Just like Craig showing, hey, it's possible to take a car and flip it and get your dream vehicle. So right now we're taking the Hyundai Santa Fe and we're going to flip it into a floor plan. And hopefully that floor plan can be, you know, I mean, even if it is just a small $250,000 floor plan at the end, we've achieved something because we only gave $950 for that car. We've put more money in it than that, but that's okay. We've got our airplane. We're going to flip our airplane into a Honda. And the one I haven't really showed too much to you guys yet, I'm going to flip it around. Are you ready for this? That there, folks, is a 1978 Chevy Chevette that has 36,000 original miles on it. We're going to flip this Chevette into a hot rod. And when I say hot rod, I mean, you know, a vintage muscle car. Something we can play around with and, you know, and see where it takes us. And then, you know, again, I'll show you the house that we purchased 2 years ago on a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, one of those foreclosure deals. And we moved completely out of the area we were in to be able to do this flip because we're flipping this house into the house of our dreams. And we're going to try to do it with the least amount possible money out of our pockets. And I really, really hope that all you guys subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, comment, and stay along for the ride with us. Because I'll tell you what, it's going to be a fun one. I like to have fun. I like to do crazy things. Just never really have the opportunity to sit down and make a video of the things that we do. And I'm going to try to change that for you guys. So if you'd be patient with me, please, because this is a new one to me. I'm a wrench turner. I'm not a computer guy. So I'll try to do the best I can with my videos, or excuse me, our videos. And because these videos are just as much for me as it is you, because I expect your guys' response. Let me know, you know, if you see me kind of screwing up on something, it's probably because I don't know, and I have no problem admitting that I don't know. I'm learning every day. You know, I learn something new every day, and I look forward to every day learning something new. So please, again, follow along, and let's take this journey together. Until then, we'll see you on the next of all that.